Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I actually wasn't sure what I was going to do for this week's vlog. I try to post a vlog a week at this point. At one point I was doing like 2 vlogs a week with shorts pretty much like every day, but right now what I've been able to handle is just 1 full vlog a week. So I definitely wanted to do something for this week's vlog. I already filmed a little PR skincare haul, which I will cut to, but I decided I would give you guys a little shop update and show you some boho decor that will be going up in my next Urban Darling shop drop. So for those of you that are new here, I have actually been an Etsy seller since 2012. I used to sell vintage clothing back in the day, but over the past 5+ years, I have basically been focusing on boho decor, basically like gems that I have thrifted, which has been awesome for me because it kind of allows me to continue doing thrifting, which I love to do, but I obviously don't have enough space or room for everything that I thrift. So this kind of allows me to be able to continue thrifting, finding gems for myself, and also being able to share them with you guys and then make a little bit of extra cash selling them in my shop. So it's not like I'm getting a full-time income from this, it's just a little bit of passive income that I make from my shop. I actually haven't been selling a ton lately. For a while, like back in Nashville and Pittsburgh, I was basically doing like weekly shop drops, but ever since we moved back to our hometown of Tri-Cities this past January, I just have not gotten back into the full swing of things. We just have a bedroom and a basement to store our stuff in. I'm just not thrifting as much as I was back when I was like decorating an entire apartment. So I've just been doing month drops, and that's about all I can handle, along with everything I do for my business, The Urban Darling, social media campaigns that I do, and things like that. It's just a pretty jam-packed schedule as it is. I've really just slowed down on everything this year. I used to literally be posting like 2 TikTok videos a day, 2 YouTube shorts a day, 2 vlogs a week, stories, like literally I was just doing way too much, and I have really slowed down a lot this year, which I'm proud of myself for, and I'm just not stressing as much about getting as much done as possible. So that's kind of the mentality I've had about my boho shop as well. I love doing it for fun, but it's not like, you know, a full-time gig or anything like that. So just wanted to give you guys a little update on my shop in case you guys were curious, or maybe just like my work routine in general. Hopefully that gives you guys a little bit of insight into that. But let me just go ahead and show you guys what I decided will be going up in my next drop. So I just have to shoot this within the next week or so and edit the photos, which I like to do, and then get them listed on basically Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace is where I'm listing currently. I used to be on like Poshmark and Depop as well, but I had too many complications with those, so I'm no longer using those. I used to have a ton of luck with Facebook Marketplace in Nashville. I was selling things like practically every day, I kid you not, just like people meeting me and buying things, but it didn't seem like that was as popular in Pittsburgh, and it doesn't seem like it's that popular back in my hometown, Tri-Cities, Washington either. So mainly I'm just getting Etsy sales. So I have 3 baskets here and a couple of ceramic pieces to show you guys. So this basket here I thrifted at Sales Outlet in my hometown, and this basket I believe I thrifted there as well. It's hard to remember. And then I think, honestly, I think I might have gotten all 3 of these at Sales Outlet. So these baskets make great catch-alls. They're great for like centerpieces on a table, for storage, that kind of thing. This basket here would be a great fruit bowl, that kind of a thing. This tray, honestly, these kind of trays are really great for displaying jewelry as well. So lots of things that you can do with these baskets. So I have a ton of baskets right now, and these are ones that I'd be happy to see go to another home. So that is why they are going up in the shop drop. Not that I don't love them, because I do. And then I also have these two pitchers here, which I'm going to be listing. These are great for like a coffee station, for cream, milk, sugar, coffee, that kind of thing. I do actually love these, especially this one, which is handmade. You can see like the signature on the bottom from the person who made it. And then this one's actually from Independent Stoneware, which is from Japan, I guess. I actually do really love both of these, but we don't currently have a kitchen, so they're basically just downstairs in my Urban Darling shop storage. I have, there are like these shelves downstairs where I've put up all my Urban Darling shop inventory and some of my personal decor as well. So they're just not really getting any use right now. So I figured I might as well put these up in my shop. If they don't happen to sell by the time we move, then I'll just keep them. So that's basically what I was thinking with these, and they definitely have like that boho vibe to them, so they would be perfect for my shop, which is pretty much all like boho and vintage. So maybe the perfect customer will find these pieces. And I'm always finding new things when I'm thrifting, so I may find other things that I love more. You guys might hear Indio scratching himself in the background right now, but I actually wanted to show you guys a little update that we did here in the bedroom. We had a campaign to shoot this morning, and it just made sense for us to rearrange some of the furniture in here. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so basically this terrazzo end table used to be on the left side of this mirror, which now that I think of it, this makes so much more sense. I don't know why we didn't do it sooner. Maybe it was because this plant didn't used to be here. We had a boho rattan table, which is downstairs right now. It was just a bit of a tight squeeze once we got our dresser. So that's probably why I didn't think of it before. But this makes so much more sense. So the mirror is slid down a bit, and the chair is still in the corner, but now we have this end table to the side of it, right next to my beautiful rubber plant. This is like some kind of a variation of rubber plant that I got from a local plant shop, Slate and Aloe, and I absolutely love the colors in it. So pretty. So anyway, I just thought I would show that to you guys. I think it looks so good. I just got my vlogging camera out because I need to take a thumbnail for this video, but I thought I would show you guys my outfit really quickly. I am loving this outfit today. So I am wearing a Simple Folk linen cropped top, which I got this year. These Mate the Label pants I've had for a few years now, also linen, perfect for summer. And my Nisolo Huarache sandals, which I have been wearing all summer as well. So I just thought I would show you guys my little outfit, wearing my Made by Mary necklaces. I pretty much always wear this combo, and some thrifted jewelry. Okay guys, so I have some PR skincare that I have been meaning to share with you guys for a while now. It's just been sitting in my closet. So just now getting around to that. I've got two mailers from Kiehl's, one of which was their Father's Day mailer. I shared it on IG stories, but I'm just now getting around to sharing it with you guys. So it's well past June now, but I thought it was a really cute package, so I'm gonna grab that. Also, Indio is here with me, so you guys might hear him. Okay, so the products came in this really cool case. Definitely has a masculine vibe for dad. And we've got 4 products in here. The Kiehl's Original Musk Blend #1, so a great scent for guys. Their Ultra Facial Cream. This stuff is absolutely amazing, and I really need to get Skylar using this actually, because It works wonders for me, so another great pick for dad. Their Facial Fuel Energizing Face Wash. I'm assuming you use this after you shave. And the Ultimate Man Body Scrub Soap. So great products of theirs that were perfect for Father's Day. We also just got this a few days ago in the mail. Kind of like a summer skincare package. So in here we have their Ferulic Brew Rejuvenating Facial Essence. So kind of like a serum, I'm assuming. And their Creme Decor body lotion, which I am just about out of mine, so this was perfect timing. I've been using this all over my elbows, hands, feet, and just anywhere where I kind of get like dry, cracked skin. So amazing stuff. Okay, so next up I have a few makeup products from Juice Beauty and then a few skincare items as well. So first up is their Phyto Pigments Luminous Lip Crayon. This is in the color Laguna. Love this color. It's like the perfect color for me. I usually wear this shade, which is kind of like a mauve-y shade, very close to what I'm wearing right now. And I love a lip crayon, so that's perfect. Also their Phyto Pigments Liquid Lip, so a bit more of like a lip gloss in this like really pretty red color, which I don't have right now. That is always great for like the fall winter season. This is the color 21 Reese. And then their Phyto Pigments Jelly Eyeshadow, which is also very close to what I'm wearing right now in the color Mimosa, which is kind of just like an orangey brown color, which I love for eyeshadow. So perfect picks for me. They also sent me their oil-free moisturizer, always great. Their Green Apple Age-Defy Moisturizer and the Juice Beauty Prebiotics Viola and Kumaru Hydrating Gel Moisturizer, which I cannot wait to try. I have not tried out any of these ingredients before. Viola Kumaru sounds very interesting, so can't wait to try these out. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed those BOHO Decor finds and the PR skincare haul. I hope you also enjoyed my little bit of a random update about my BOHO shop, Urban Darling shop. I really do love having a shop. I recently started listing baby vintage clothing as well. There are a few baby girl vintage pieces on there. They haven't sold, so I don't know what I'm going to end up doing with that. I would love to somehow incorporate vintage clothing in addition to like the boho and vintage decor, and who knows, maybe someday I'll end up changing that again. I would love to do like kind of boutique artisan type decor in my shop, which I would have to find someone who does like wholesale or something like that. That is like something that I'd maybe be interested in doing in the future, but right now I'm just doing thrifted gems. It's just something that's fun for me. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of random video. I have some video ideas coming up that I want to do, and I have a few pre-filmed videos as well that I'm very excited to share with you guys soon. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys aren't subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for future videos, and also be sure to share my channel with anyone that you think would enjoy my content as well. That is always very much appreciated. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!